In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of word problems that involve addition and subtraction of fractions. The first question says Claire decorated a bulletin board. She used 2/15 yards of orange ribbon and 9/10 yards of purple ribbon. How much more purple ribbon did Claire use than orange ribbon? So she used more of one type of ribbon than the other. We're trying to find out how much more. So we just want to know how far apart are these two numbers. And anytime you're trying to find how far apart two numbers are, that is subtraction. So we're going to take our larger number, 9/10, and we're going to subtract the smaller number, 2/15. Look for a common denominator of 10 and 15. I'm going to count by 15, so 15 and then 30. 30 is a common factor, so 30 will be my common denominator. 10 goes into 33 times, so 9/10 times 3 over 3 is 27/30. And 15 goes into 30 twice. 2/15 times 2 over 2 is 4/30. When we subtract 27 minus 4, we get 23/30. And that represents how much more purple ribbon she used than orange ribbon, choice A. Number 2, Laura needs 5/8 yard of white fabric and 5/12 yard of black fabric for a sewing project. How much fabric does she need for the sewing project? So in this problem, it looks like we're just trying to find out a total amount of fabric that is needed. So we're going to combine 5/8 and 5/12, which is an addition problem. I'm going to count by 12s to find a common denominator. So 12 and then 24. 8 goes into 24. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So 5/8 times 3 over 3 is 15/24. 12 goes into 24 twice, so 5/12 times 2 over 2 is 10/24. 15 plus 10 is 25/24, but that is an improper fraction, so we're going to change that to a mixed number by dividing. 24 goes into 25 one time, with one remainder that's called a 24th. So in all, Laura needs 1 1/24 yards of fabric. Number 3, in gym class, Jalen ran 1/8 mile. Cara ran 9/12 mile farther than Jalen. How far did Cara run in gym class? So when it says she ran that much farther than him, it means she ran more than him. To figure out her total, we're going to have to combine how far Jalen ran, 1/8 of a mile, with how much farther Cara ran, 9/12 of a mile more than Jalen, and then add those two numbers together. A common denominator for 12 and 8, I can count by 12s, and I get 24 as a multiple of both 12 and 8. 8 goes into 24 3 times. 1/8 times 3 over 3 is 3/24. 12 goes into 24 twice. 9/12 times 2 over 2 is 18/24. 3/24 plus 18/24 is 21/24. And then we can simplify by pulling out 3 over 3, which gives us 7/8. That means that Cara ran 7/8 of a mile in gym class.